Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The reign of CUPRA is really here, with the brand being a runway success. Now as they move into an electric era, CUPRA has revealed their second EV base on the Volkswagen Group MEB platform, the Tavascan, a sister car to the Q4 e-tron Sportback, Volkswagen ID.5 and Skoda Enyaq. Essentially, Volkswagen Group is like, here are the parts available to you, go build the car. And that's what occurred as the Tavascan was designed and developed in Barcelona. Dimension-wise, it's a wider, longer and lower than the ID.5. Under the skin are two power options. Base is a rear-wheel drive offering with 281 horsepower and 402 pound-feet of torque. The all-wheel drive model gets a 335 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. This model does 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds. Both are powered by 77 kWh battery with a 342-mile range in the rear-wheel drive model and a 324-mile range for the all-wheel drive model on the WLTP cycle. A heat pump is optional. It can charge from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Design-wise, it looks just like the concept, with a bold metric LED-like signature, matte paint, chevron accent and sporty aero bit. Inside is super unique with a dynamic central spin where we find slim air vent, a multifunction sport steering wheels, a 15-inch central touchscreen. Standard also are sporty bucket seat. The CUPRA Tavascan will be built at Volkswagen Group factory in Anhui, China, and will launch in 2024. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 CUPRA Tavascan? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.